Each happiness of yesterday is a memory for tomorrow.
And memories are the timeless treasures of our hearts.
Very good afternoon to one and all present over here. I, Rajvi Prabhakar from BBE second year,
And I, Mohit Sharan from BBE third year,
extend a very hearty welcome to all of you on this special day. We welcome Reverend Father Rector, Father Principal, members of the management, our professors, and our dearest seniors. We also welcome our former teachers on this special occasion, and we express our love and gratitude to them for always being there with us.
we don't realize the importance of a moment until it becomes a memory. And college life, for that matter, is full of such amazing memories. We have amongst us our very special seniors, the batch of 2017-20.
Well, the year 2020 was very different, rather uncertain and chaotic. It had put so many challenges before us. However, we stood firm against all those challenges and came out safe. And the best part of it is that we are all here cherishing our togetherness.
Well, college life is no less than a roller coaster ride. From lecture halls to the basketball court, from canteen to our very own Kalam Hall.
From your first presentation to your last viva, from the assignments to the surprise test, we all began our college days with the orientation program, and now we are here, the graduation ceremony.
What we learn with pleasure we never forget, and an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Well, that's the joy of learning.
Light is one of the most universal and fundamental symbols of life. It is the spiritual and the divine. It is illumination and intelligence. Light is the source of all the goodness and the ultimate reality. Light dispels darkness from our lives and brings hope and happiness.
Very true. A ray of light is a ray of hope. Let us all leave darkness and step toward the bright path.
We now have our traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. So, may I now request Father Rector, Father Principal, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, Mr. Ashok Kumar, Assistant Librarian, Mr. Sudhir, the ex-President of Students' Council, Mr. Ranjan Kumar, and Ms. Alisha Kareem, to kindly come up on the stage to light the lamp and bless the occasion. May we now request our Dean Academics, Dr. Mala Kumari Upadhyay, to bring the holy lamp from Sarva Dharma Samabhav Prarthanalaya, which is the sanctum of our college.
speak to you all.
Today, we have all gathered here to celebrate our bonds with our seniors and the tons of memories that we share with them. But before anything and everything, we want to say a big thank you to all our seniors for those beautiful times, for the joy, love, and laughter.
Really, we can never ever forget the days spent with you. We are sure that together we shall cherish our old memories and make the new ones. So, let's begin our celebration. Music is the best way to express. It is the language of love. I invite on stage Xavier's Music Club with their beautiful song that will surely fill our hearts with joy.
Here's to the ones that we love. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in the day. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I came out without pain, when I believed in forever, and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feels like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything gonna be alright. Go raise your glass and sing. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the rains bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones in the lane. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the rains bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
Wow. That was melodious.
Thank you so much, Radio Music Class.
Moving ahead, I invite our principal, Father Dr. D. Nishant S.A., to address the gathering.
Respected Rector, Father Joy Karayamburam SJ, the members of the management, committed staff, dear students, very especially our dear graduates, and we have Dr. Mary De Cruz representing the teachers who have been here earlier, and we have Shambhavi, BMC's mother, representing all the parents here. Welcome to each one of you. We thought we would not have the graduation ceremony for the students of 2017-20 batch. Yet, this function is another proof of overcoming the adversities posed to us by the COVID-19. This is a proof that true education empowers us to face the challenges of life, and we human beings remain resilient. Dear graduates, life presents us with various significant milestones that set the stage for the next phase in our journey of life. Today, we are witnessing one of such moments, and so we wish to honor those who are moving through this special time of accomplishment, transition, and change. Graduation is a time of completion, of finishing, of an ending. However, it is also a time of celebration of achievements and a time for moving forward. Dear graduates, you have been with us for the last 3+ years, thanks to COVID-19. I mean, more than 3 years. You have grown, and we too have grown because of you as professors, mentors, and especially as human beings. Yes, we are happy that you are moving forward to another stage of life, your life. We thank God for allowing you to pass through the portals of Xavier's. We tried our best to impart what we believe in and what we hold as the most important things in life. We worked hard to impart you the qualities of competence, conscience, commitment, compassion, collaboration, and creativity, the 6 characteristic words of Jesuit education. Most of you were receptive and most of you have grown a lot. You are not a roll number to us. We addressed you and called you by your name. Our affection, patience, compassion, firmness, strictness, gentleness have flown into you. You also have been sometimes scolded, punished, and pulled up for various things. In and through all these, we became part of you and you part of us. I wish you all the best. If you practice some of the values we tried to inculcate in you, that will be your Guru Dakshana to us. May you become a great alumnus or alumna of ours. As you know, as you may remember, during the orientation day, we showed you the great alumni and alumni of Jesuit institutions in India. One day, your name also should appear when in future we take the orientation for the future students. You know that the college has 2 special awards, specially instituted for alumni and alumnae. Xavier Samvedana Award and Xavier Pride of Bihar Award. I hope some of you make yourself eligible and proud to receive them. May we be able to take your name with pride. Let us remain connected. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord watch over you and keep you safe. May the Lord guide your every step. May you always know of God's unending love for you. Jai Xaviers, Jai Bharat. सब बोलिए जय Xaviers. Louder.
Now, as we know, this event is dedicated to our seniors. They are the ones who will be moving ahead in their lives, adding laurels of glory to our institution, and this is what the pledge entails. May I now invite Ranjan Kumar, former President of the Students' Council, to kindly lead the pledge ceremony.
Kindly stand for oath-taking ceremony. All of you kindly stand at your place for oath-taking ceremony. Kindly repeat after me. Dear God, we thank you for giving us opportunity to study in St. Xavier's colleges. We thank the member of management, faculty, administrative and maintenance staff for guiding and nurturing us in the last 3 years. We thank our fellow students for their encouragement, friendliness and support. We place. Please extend your right hand towards the lamp. Please extend your right hand towards the lamp. That we will cherish and live out the values and ideals we have learned here. We promise that we will make our parents and member of Xavier family proud by our conduct. We promise that we will remain connected wherever we are. We will contribute our share to the development of colleges and to the nation building till the end of our life. Thank you. Kindly please be seated.
This day is indeed a special one, and to make it more special, we invite our friends Udit Narayan and Kumari Sneha to take over.
Thank you so much for being with us. We take your leave now.
The best part of journey is the journey itself. The ups and downs, the pros and cons. And everything that we experience makes the journey dynamic, interesting and worth living.
Journey does come to an end as it is destined to, but what stays with us are those sweet memories. And our wonderful memories with our seniors will stay in our hearts forever.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Udit
And I am Sneha.
and here we are to carry this wonderful event forward.
Now it's time to hear it from our seniors. Their experiences and memories, in fact, means a lot. And it would be matter of immense pleasure to come across our seniors' hearts and minds.
Each and everyone has a lot to say, and we are equally excited to listen. To begin with, I invite Trishika Agarwal of Department of English to come up on stage and share her memories.
Hello, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum. I am Rishika Agarwal of BA English. I've been on the stage before, but mostly it has been for acting or anchoring. But today it's different. Today I'm here to share my journey with all of you. I start with expressing my gratitude to St. Xavier's Colleges for transforming me into a lady with a vision, equipping me with confidence, discipline, and knowledge. For the fear of missing out, I won't take any names, as each member of Xavier's family is equally important to me. And at a certain point, each one of you have inspired me and molded me into who I am today. As for my experiences, I entered this college as a timid girl sitting somewhere over there at the back. And I had no plans to climb up this stage someday, but look how that one turned out. You see, I've been this invisible girl all my life, merging into the crowd as if it's my forte. But this college has instilled some brand new confidence in me. And it dates back to the very first internals, in which I stood first. My professor called out my name. I stood up, all eyes on me, my palms sweating and my heart racing just like it is now. In that moment, I felt acknowledged, and from that point, there was no looking back. Just like me, I believe each one of you have had memories or experiences that shaped you as a person and would go down the memory lane. The BA department started with a group of 60-some students and some of the most amazing professors. We saw birthdays and heartbreaks, laughters and cries. Though divided by ideas and lack of attendance, we stood united by road trips to bar, lunch boxes, and mutual feelings from our university. I've learned the lessons of love, humility, and togetherness. Speaking of humility, isn't it absolutely amazing that the principal and vice principal know all of us by names? Well, today, as I stand here at the brink of my college life, I look back and feel grateful for all the experiences, memories, and opportunities. Lastly, to all my fellow graduates who are going ahead with their higher studies, I wish you all the best. Congratulations to the ones who have secured a job, and a distant high five to the ones who are still confused like me. Quoting Lisa Kudrow, 20s are full of crossroads, but one when door closes, another door always opens. And if you'd ask me, I'd say it's okay to be confused, it's okay to not know what you want, and it's okay to falter, because now is the moment. For the batch of 2020, I want us to turn into successful bureaucrats, lawyers, journalists, and professors. But most importantly, I want us to grow into healers, storytellers, educators, and environmentalists, spreading love and kindness. This world needs us, and it awaits us. Thank you so much.
lecture, it was really overwhelming and nostalgic. Moving ahead, let me call upon the stage Anmol Ratan of BCA department to share his experience.
You know what? I have never understood how imagining audience stupid was supposed to make you less nervous. But honestly speaking, I'm just uncomfortable right now, especially in front of Professor Marie de Cruz. 3 years. Yeah. 3 years of pretending to be talkative and confident. 3 years of pretending to be smart and intelligent. Yes, I'm talking about myself. Okay, to ensure clear communication with this social media generation, hashtags will be used. So hashtag signing in. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anmol Ratan from BCA department. वही नंबर लड़का जो बास्केटबॉल खेलता है. Before I start talking about my journey, here I would like to thank Father Nishan and of course Father Martin, who have been inspiring me for 3 years. I have never gone to them particularly asking for any suggestion or help, but yes, throughout my journey, I have observed them very carefully and followed some of their approaches, especially how to seek attention of the people even if they are not ready to listen to you at all in front of such a huge crowd. I have learned from Father Martin that being a leader, how to delegate the work among the fellows according to their feasibility and capability. And the most important, monitoring their work till you get success in that. I remember one line that once he said to me, and that time it was very cold, so he was standing like this, and he said to me, "Hey man, don't do things in hurry, man. Remember one thing, slow and steady wins the race." I know after this, Father Martin is going to kill me, so hashtag sorry for this. Fine. So when I took admission here, nothing was new for me. Because I have been studying in Jesuit Society for 15 years, which very few knows. But let me tell you one thing, this sharing experience is the first experience for me in this 15 years. These bhul-bhulaiya-like corridors, the different halls named on the names of Jesuit saints, and the most annoying for the students, the different modules of assessment consisting of assignments, PPTs, vivas, and all, that were familiar to me. The only new and unbearable thing for me was that I had been separated from my friends and especially from my brother. I was feeling all alone in BCA with my formal attire and a fake confidence on my face. But at the same time, I remembered one relatable quote that I had read somewhere, and that was, "Being alone in the toilet is a reminder. It is a reminder that you are always alone when your shit goes down." Finally, when presentation started in the first semester, I met some good friends who were actually my PVD partners. Now, talking about the faculties of my department, the best thing about it is the two senior most professors have the best bonding and understanding amongst them. They both respect each other's decisions, and the way they support and discuss things with each other and also to the other faculty members of the department is very rare to see among the colleagues. Apart from all these DBMS, inheritance, polymorphism, JavaScript and all, there are many more things to learn from them. They are none other than hashtag the Jai and Viru of BCA department, Rakesh Pathak sir and Prakash Upadhyay sir. Now it's time to talk about the most charming of BCA department, most charming face of BCA department. Yes, I'm talking about Supriya ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much for being such a sweet, helpful and cooperative mentor. And on behalf of my batch, I want to say you that You are the best mentor we the 2017-2020 BCA batch can ever have, undoubtedly. Apart from the technical and code programming knowledge, for which I took admission in BCA actually, I learned so many lessons for my life, like how to work smartly even in a small span of time, keeping in mind that you have to be different from others when standing in the crowd. Now it's time for my personal favorite, the sports committee of the college, especially the sweetest of all, and a kind-hearted person, Father Dr. Rajkumar, and a sports teacher, Satya Prakash sir. I thank you both, and of course, Father Principal as well, for making it possible for the first time a most awaited inter-college sports tournament Aagaz in our college. Being a batty sports person, this was the best part of my college journey. I enjoyed my responsibilities of being a basketball coordinator in Aagaz and a president of basketball club, for which I thank all my fellow members of the club, without whom it was not possible. Before taking admission here, I didn't know even the B of basketball. I had never played it, not even a single time in my schools. I was a volleyball player there. But by God's grace, at the end of second year, I was one of the top 5 players of the college basketball team. Well, I also got a chance to represent my state in under-19 national basketball tournament, but I missed it because that time my age was 19.5 years. So I was just 6 months late for this. And for all this, hashtag credit goes to our sports teacher Satya Prakash sir, some of my seniors like Shubham Shri Bhaiya, Bhaskar Bhaiya, Avikansh Bhaiya, and my best friend, who had this faith on me that one day I would definitely be a good basketball player. So I thank all these lovely people for making this impossible possible. Now, the best part of Jesuit education that I personally like is that they give the equal attention to their maintenance and supporting staffs as well, which they actually deserve to be given. So for this, a big thank you to the college, because I had a good relationship with them throughout. And I don't think anyone had a bad one. I personally thank Nelson Bhaiya, Mariam Di, and all men's maintenance staff for giving us a clean and fresh campus, which makes our college more beautiful than it actually is. Hashtag no offense please. And yes, thanks to Nausar Bhaiya and Cyril Bhaiya as well, the 2 pillars of College Gate, for giving us a clean basketball court to play. Everyone whom I talked or met even a single time in the college, no matter they are from same or different year, same or different stream, became my friends, but few of them became the friends for life, who were always there in my hard times and made me able to give my 100% everywhere, either in sports, in academics, or anywhere, anytime. So coming to an end, I wish you all a very best for your future. Prepare yourself to be the best version of yourself, because preparation comes before success, even in the dictionary. और अंत में मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम और आपके मन स्थिति को आराम देते हुए स्वरचित चंद पंक्तियां पेश करना चाहूंगा। गौर फरमाइएगा कि कांटों से बचकर चला करते हैं आप, इरशाद कि कांटों से बचकर चला करते हैं आप, हमने तो फूलों से जख्म खाए हैं। कि कांटों से बचकर चला करते हैं आप, जी हाँ, हमने तो फूलों से जख्म खाए हैं। इन 3 सालों की यादें हम 3 घंटों में समेटने आए हैं। साइनिंग आउट। जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
Wow. Well, that's not the beauty of learning. That's covered up with sharing. Let's take up one more. I would like to invite our former Students' Cabinet President Ranjan Kumar to share his experience.
Good morning, Devonian. First of all, before I start, I would like to thank God for the life for the beautiful day that He has given us, without which is only possible. And we also thank God for the St. James colleges. Respected principal, loving professor, all the fathers present over here, our chief guest, and my beloved friends and juniors. With the start of my college life, the 3 years of my college life would be considered as the best part I lived. I have done tremendous work under the guidance of Father Principal. I would like to personally thank Father Principal. He is the person he always helped me to correct my English. Also, I would like to thank Father Susil, always helping me, and these are the person who really recognize me कि मैं जिंदगी में क्या करना चाहता हूँ. I want to become good leader, honest leader. So they always help me a lot. I would like to thank Father Vice Principal, since he is not here. He is very close to me and he helped me a lot to build a good leadership quality. I would like to thank Professor Vinny Singh. He is not here. He is very close to me and he always helped me a lot inside and outside the college to become a good leader. I would like to thank Professor Joel De Cruz. Thank you, sir, for always helping us and guiding us and mentoring us to achieve our goal very calmly. So, leadership quality, they help, corrected me. These all professors always corrected me, supported me throughout the entire journey. The college professor, staff, and my senior never treated me like outsider. I feel lucky to be part of this Xavier family. My professor, my friends always supported me, motivated me in tough times. I am very thankful to Mari ma'am, my HOD, Ashok sir. Thank you, Ashok sir, for always believing me and giving me responsibility. And I learned one lesson from you. Be always, whatever the situation happen, be always calm and patience. Carry patience. I must say, without you all, I would have been unable to perform better. I tried my level best in fulfilling responsibility, learned the lessons of being confident, hardworking, and a good leader. How could I forget Student of the Year award, by which I was honored? So thank you for the trust and all love and care. I have no word to express. It will be the best moment of my life. I know many of you hold grudges against me. I'm extremely sorry for that. But my dear fellow mates, this is the time we might be meeting last. My best wishes are with you all. I took few harsh decisions, but whatever I have done was never harm you but save you. Because it was my responsibility. If my word, actions hurts you, I am extremely sorry for that. And I would like to thank Kalpana ma'am and all the organizing team, especially newly elected student cabinet, Ojaswini, Mohit, Saket, Richa, all the council members, anchor, who made our day the most memorable. Thank you so much. It's quite formalistic with beautiful line. खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं हम में कि तुम हमें याद आएंगे. खूबियाँ इतनी तो नहीं हम में कि तुम्हें कभी याद आएंगे. पर इतना तो प्यार है हमें खुद पे, आप कभी हमें भूल नहीं पाएंगे. I am ready to miss you all. Thank you. शुक्रिया. May God bless us. From it, I Ranjan Kumar signing out. Goodbye. खुदा हाफिज.
Thank you, Ranjan, and thank you, everyone. What an ocean of memories and emotions that was. We are overjoyed and overwhelmed.
Moving ahead, I invite Reverend Father Rector to present mementos to the students of Department of English.
We invite Reverend Father Rector to present mementos to the students of Department of English. Sister Rekha. Sister Rekha. Priya William. Priya William. Priya William. Shreya Kumari. Priya William. Shreya Kumari. Shreya Kumari. Nishita Singh. Nishita Singh. Anshu Verma. Abhimanyu Rao. Rishabh Kumar Keshri. Shruti Evangeline. Shruti Evangeline. Ujjwal Kumar Shandilya. Thank you, Father, for doing the honors. Thank you, Father, for doing the honors. May we now request Sister Dr. Grace, SCSC. Thank you, Father. May we now request Sister Dr. Grace, SCSC, Chair IQSC, to come upon the stage and give mementos to our seniors.
Kriti Singh. Chelvika Anand. Chelvika Anand. Shivnayan Prakash. Ganadhar Mehta. Nishita Singh. Oshaka Panna, member on. Thank you, sister. I request and invite Dr. Anurag Ambasta, Coordinator of Department of English, to come up on stage and present mementos to the students of Department of English.
Trisa Pushpa. Trisa Pushpa. Pragati Sinha. Pragati Sinha. Aman Tuddu.
Agarwal, Ishika Agarwal, Shivam Kumar, Akanksha Anand, Monica Raj, Monica Raj, Aarti Sinha, Aarti Sinha, Aishwarya, Sneha Kumari, Ayush Kumar, Ayush Kumar, thank you, sir. May we now have on the stage Mr. Ajay Kumar, Director NSS and Assistant Professor Department of English, to give mementos to our seniors.
Sonali Sinha, Sonali Sinha, Ritik Rajesh, Aman Sharma, Anshu Verma, Utkarsh Raj, Umme Roman, Abhinay Kumar, Nancy Chandra, and Himanshu Shekhar. Thank you, sir. Thank you. If anybody is there? If anybody is there, please come. Thank you, sir. May I now request our principal, Father Dr. D. Nishant Sajay, to come on the stage and present the mentors.
The departments of BCom Honors. First, Anu Kumari, Dania Praveen, Faiza Kulsum, Ziauddin Ahmed, Sidra Afri, Alisha Kareem, Parveen Singh, Pragati Kumari, Thank you, Father. Now I request Dr. Alok Paran to kindly come upon the stage and do the honors.
Kajal Kumari, Anubhuj, Ashutosh Kumar, Karan Shah, Kumar Golu, Kajal Singh, Ashif Iqbal, Thank you, sir. Now I request Assistant Professor Ms. Rachna Thakkar to come on the stage and give memento to the students of Department of Commerce.
Now I would like to call Father Kanikatil S.J. to come. Sorry for the inconvenience. May I call upon the stage Mr. Alok Bhatt to continue with the distribution of mementos. Anuradha Kumari, Sajal Sagar, Ashutosh Thakur, Ritika Kumari, Deepa Kumari, Shashank Mandal, Diksha Pandey, Sister Roshni Terry, Shruti Kumari, Simran Bano, Tanvi Tanya, Vikas Kumar, Aman Verma, Saf, Aditya, Swati. Now I would like to call Father Kanikatil S.J. to kindly come on the stage and present the mementos to the graduates of Department of Mass Communication. Afzal Alam, Kajal Singh, Sambhavi Sinha, Ayush Kumar Dhani, Megha Kumari, Astha Kashyap, Aman Kumar, Sibra Afri, Prakul, Martin Christopher, Thank you, Father. May we please have on the stage Assistant Professor Father request SJ to present mementos to our seniors. Rohit Kumar, Ranjan Paudel, Danish Ansari, Altamash Kumar, Shubham Kumar,
Thank you, Father. May I now invite Mr. Alok Moik from our stage to present the mementos.
Soham Singh, Supriya Sinha, Pankaj Kumar, Uddesh Viraj, Charlie Kumar, Thank you, sir. Now I invite Assistant Professor Mr. Bika Rishi to come on the stage and give mementos to our seniors.
Neha Nidhi, Tanya Trivedi, Ishan Ali, Yuvraj Ratan, Raman Kumar Rai, Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I request Assistant Professor Ms. Priya Manish Kumar to kindly come on stage and do the honors.
Shivani Jha, Sukumar Jha, Saurabh Babu, Sakshi, Sri Dayal, Akash Francis, thank you, ma'am. May we now have on the stage the Controller of Examinations, Father Dr. Sebastian Alphonse S.J. to kindly present the mementos to the graduates of Department of Physical Applications.
Mohammad Imran, Santosh Kumar, Achal Singh, Suruchi Singh,
Suji Singh,
Thank you, Father. Now I request the coordinator of Department of Computer Application, Mr. Prakash Upadhyay, to do the honors.
Harshvardhan Kumar, Mohammad Tabriz Alam, Mohammad Mudaffir Kahar, Krishna Ravi Shankar, May we please have on the stage the former coordinator of the Department of Computer Application, Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
Anamika Kumari, Shivam Kumar, Rohan Singh, Rohan Singh. Thank you, sir. Now I invite Assistant Professor and IT Manager of our college, Mr. Piyush Verma.
Roshan Kumar, Rohit Kumar, Manish Kumar, thank you, sir. Now may we please have on the stage Assistant Professor Ms. Supriya Kumar to give mementos to the graduates of the Department of Computer Application.
Kumar Sachin, Anmol Ratan, Kumar Ankit, thank you, ma'am. Now I request Assistant Professor Mr. Ankit Kumar to come on stage and do the honors.
Kajal Kiran, Neha Pradeep, Chotu Kumar, Komal, Sumit, Akash Kumar. Santosh Kumar, thank you, sir. Now I invite Father Dr. Sudhir S.J. to kindly come on the stage and present mementos to the students of business administration.
Gargi Bhatt, Sayyid Mohammad Shalun Alam, Ishita Banka, Varun Singh, Rahul Kumar Singh, Roli Srivastava, Ayush Narayan, Bagita Pratap, Aman Kumar, Prerna Sinha, thank you, Father. I invite the coordinator of the Department of Business Administration, Mr. Piyush Ranjan Sahai, to give the mementos.
Aditya, Aman Prakash, Ankit Aniket Upadhyay, Shubham Raj, Vanchika Shekhar, Harshvardhan, Amit Kumar Rahi, Amritpal Singh, Kadam Tanki,
Masood, Maher Masood, Meedal, Avinash Giri, Nitish Kumar, Thank you, sir. Now, may we please have on stage Dean of Activities and Founder Coordinator of the Department of Business Administration, Mr. Joel Dean.
Adarsh Raj, Vaishali Kumari, Utkarsh Raj, Pratyush Pandey, Satyam Raghavan, Shweta Singh, Swati Karma, मानसी गुप्ता, अनुष्का सिन्हा, प्रियंका कुमारी, काजल कुमारी, Thank you, sir. Now I request Assistant Professor and Placement Officer, Mr. Samar Riyaz, to come up on stage.
Preeti Priya, Naima Farheen, Syed Aman, Kashif Patel, Isha Khan, Rahul Raj, Soni Kumari, Sanjana Singh, Pooja Singh, Sakshi Gupta, Magisha Pratap, Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Administrator Father Dr. Rajkumar S.J. to kindly come on the stage and present mementos to the graduates of the Department of Business and Economics.
Ashish Ranjan,
May we please have on the stage Assistant Professor and Coordinator Dr. Niharika Kumari present the mementos for the Department of Business and Economics.
Please rise. Aditi Kumari, Aditya Kumar, Akansha Kumar, Akansha Arya, Alok Kumar, Ananya Shri, Ronak Singh, Ashutosh Kumar, Gaurav Raj, Gunjan Kumari, Khushbu Kumari, Gaurav Raj,
Thank you, ma'am. Now I invite on the stage the former Dean of Academics and the founder coordinator of the Department of Business Economics, Ms. Mala Kumari, to do the honors. Ms. Kalpana, ma'am, sorry ma'am, Ms. Kalpana Kumari, to do the honors. I apologize, ma'am.
Anand, Mahima Priya, Manisha Dev, Nan Priya, Narendra Saurav, Pranjali, thank you, ma'am. Pranjali, thank you, ma'am. And I now invite Assistant Professor Mr. B.N. Chaudhary to kindly come up on stage.
Rajni Tony, Rohit Kumar Ji, Rohit Singh, Sahil Verma, Srishti Prakash, thank you, sir. Now I invite the Assistant Professor and Coordinator of the Department of Computer Application, Mr. Prakash Upadhyay, to come on the stage and give the mementos to the gallery.
Vidya Kumari, Sonu Kumar, Tanisha Priya, Tanya Shri, Vivek Bandal, Rohit Kumar,
Rohit Kumar, Ashutosh Kumar Thakur, Aditya Kaushik,
Samantha Kaushik, Alan Warner,
Thank you, sir. May we now have on stage the finance officer, Father Alphonse Raj LJ, to present mementos to the graduates of Department of Commerce.
Vipul Vincent, Anupa Soren, Shania Singh, Neha Kumari, Deepak Kumar, Muskan Raj, Muskan Raj, Chandra Singh, Chandra Singh, Tanushree, Tanushree, Kajal Kumari,
Thank you, Father. Now I request Father Tijo Kieran, LJ, to kindly come on stage and to join us. Tijo Kieran, sir, please.
May we now have on the stage Sister Jaya, RNDM, to give the mementos to our seniors. Raj Gandhini, Aman Kumar, Ankit Kumar, Ankit Lakra, Anupa Soren, Arvind Ekka, Bobby Yadav, Chandra Singh, Gaurav Gupta, Ritik Raj, Jyoti Kumari, Kajal Kumari, Kashif Javed, Manish Jeremy, Sachin Shes, Muskan Raj, Muskan Sinha, Nancy Chatterjee, Neda Sanya, Neha Kumari, Nidhi.
Thank you, Sister. Now I request Assistant Professor and Dean of Academics, C.S. Dr. Mala Kumari Upadhyay, to do the honors.
Nihalika, Nikita Kumari, Nitin Gopal, Pankaj Kumar, Pooja Kumari. There are two Pooja Kumari, one always 60 and another is always 61. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Assistant Professor and Coordinator, Mr. Ashok Kumar, to kindly come on the stage and present mementos to the graduates.
Priyaraj, Priyarani, Priyanka Kumari, Shivang Singh, Pulkit Saurabh, Rahul Kumar, Rajnandani, Ranjan Kumar, Riya Gupta, thank you, sir. We now have on stage Assistant Professor Mr. Farhan Khalid.
Priya Raj, Rupali Kumari, Sadhvi Kumari, Sanya Raj, Sapna Kumari, Roger Kumar,
नहीं तो हमने ली का आएगा तो बता दो
Saurabh Singh, Sanya Singh, Shreyas Paskal. Thank you, sir. I request Assistant Professor Dr. Alok Karan to come on the stage and do the honors.
Shyamili Sinha,
सिन्हा
Shyamoli Bose,
आएंगे आज
Shrikant Pandey, Ravi Ranjan Upadhyay, Supriya Kumari, Survi Sharma, Tanushree, thank you, sir. May I now invite on stage Assistant Professor, Professor Mohammad Rashid, to do the honors.
Vipul Vincent, Vivek Kumar Pandey, Yashu Raj, Zafar Hassan, Sonal Kumari Gupta,
teammate Asna Murari and Rahul Kumar. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We come to the end of this auspicious occasion, but every end makes a new beginning, and this end will be followed by a newborn beautiful beginning.
As we bid goodbye to our seniors, we are filled with overwhelming emotions. We again thank you all for those memories which will last forever.
I invite Ojaswini of BBA 3A to sum up the event for the word of thanks.
Good evening, fathers, professors, ladies and gentlemen. I feel honored and privileged to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of St. Xavier's College and St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, Patna. Every special moment comes to an end, and this occasion is not an exception to that. We part to rejoin in the journey of life. And today I am sure you all will take home the memories of the times you have spent on the campus. That fun during lectures, that cutting chai and those long chats in the canteen. Those amazing teachers and those summer trips. Wow! Who knew that every moment we spent here were actually creating memories? I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our rector, principals, members of the management, and our professors for their constant support and guidance. I thank former Vice Principal, Father Dr. Sushil Vinod S.J., for conducting the prayer session. I also thank the members and the chair of the academic committee for meticulous planning and execution of the program. Thanks is also due. Thank you, our dearest seniors, for being here and making this event more solid. Thanks is also due to our organizing team, the administrative staff, and support staff for making this event successful and for their enormous contribution. I also thank the Department of Mass Communication for photography and videography. Last but not the least, I thank our technical and management staff for making this event successful. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Xavier.